In this video, I'm going to present a brief introduction to linear functions, and we're just going to take a look at the big ideas behind linear functions. First, looking back, find the solution to x plus 2 equals 9. The solution is 7, easy. When x is 7, this equation is a true statement. What would it mean to find a solution to x plus y equals 8? To find a solution to x plus y equals 8, you would have to figure out an x and a y that would add together to get 8. So maybe x is 1 and y is 7. Or maybe x is 2 and y is 6. Maybe x is 3 and y is 5. Maybe x is 2.5 and y is 5.5. You could even go to negative solutions and 0 as a solution. This equation has infinitely many possibilities of solutions that will equal 8. One way that is really convenient to show all of the solutions to this equation is a graphed line. Every point on this line, on this graph, is another solution to x plus y equals 8. Even if there is no visible point, there's nothing marked on this line, a line is made up of infinitely many points, which may or may not be marked. So here is a solution, 0, 8, that adds to get 8. Here is a unique, different solution where x is 8 and 0 is y, that adds to get 8. This would be 5 and 3. Over here we can find another one. This would be -2 and 10. Every point on this line is another solution to x plus y equals 8. Also, remember in functions we talked about how x is the input and y is the output. So if we're looking at this one right here, 1 is the button that we push on our machine, and 7 is what comes out of this machine. If we push the 5 button, 3 comes out. These two are in a relationship, and this rule defines the relationship between our x's and y's. We add our x's and y's together, we have to get 8. That's the definition of the relationship. So keep this in mind throughout our discussion of linear functions. A graph is a picture of all of the solutions to an equation. The solutions to these equations also represent the relationship of inputs and outputs to a similarly defined function. So all of these solutions also are inputs and outputs of the function. A line is made up of infinitely many solutions, which are represented as points on a line, and these points may or may not be marked. Linear functions can be represented by tables, equations, and graphs. All of these can describe the very same linear function, pairing the same x's with the same y's. And that's your introduction to linear functions.